The era of the earbud is officially over. What you are looking at isn't just a way to listen to music anymore. It is a sophisticated, medical-grade, AI-driven wearable that just happens to fit inside your ear. Apple is about to drop the AirPods Pro 4, and it is the most aggressive leap in audio technology we have seen since the original iPod. If you think your current AirPods Pro are good enough, you are about to be shocked by how much you've been missing. We are standing on the edge of a new frontier where audio becomes intelligent, where your health is monitored in real time, and where the world around you can be digitally manipulated to suit your needs. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In this video, we are going deep into the secrets, the leaks, and the incredible engineering that makes the AirPods Pro 4 the most important device you will buy in 2026. Let's start with the brain of the operation, the H3 chip. This isn't just a minor speed boost. The H3 silicon is built on a custom architecture designed specifically for low-latency AI. Why does that matter? Because the AirPods Pro 4 are moving beyond active noise cancellation and into a territory called active environment reconstruction. In the past, noise cancellation simply blocked out the world. With the H3 chip, the AirPods Pro 4 are smart enough to identify specific sounds. It doesn't just block a siren, it can dampen the harsh frequencies of a construction site while actually enhancing the voice of the person standing next to you. It is a digital filter for your reality. Imagine walking through a crowded New York City street and feeling like you are sitting in a silent library, yet never missing a single word of your phone call. That is the power of the H3. But the real holy grail of the AirPods Pro 4 isn't just what you hear, it's what the AirPods hear about you. Apple is making a massive play into the health space. The AirPods Pro 4 are rumored to include advanced biometric sensors that can track your core body temperature and even monitor your heart rate through the skin of your ear canal. This is data that is historically more accurate than what you get from a wrist-based wearable. Imagine your AirPods alerting you to a fever before you even feel sluggish, or detecting a heart rhythm irregularity while you're just sitting at your desk. This transforms the AirPods from a luxury accessory into a life-saving tool. For millions of Americans, this will be the most accessible health monitoring device they have ever owned. Now, let's talk about the design, because Apple is finally addressing the one thing everyone has been complaining about, the fit and the pressure. The AirPods Pro 4 are expected to feature a new digital venting system. One of the biggest issues with in-ear buds is the plugged-up feeling, the occlusion effect. Apple has engineered a new way for air to flow through the buds that EQs the pressure in real time. It feels like you aren't wearing anything at all. The silicone tips are being replaced by a new adaptive memory material that reacts to the heat of your ear to create a perfect, custom seal every time you put them in. This isn't just about comfort, it's about audio integrity. A perfect seal means deeper bass, crisper highs, and a soundstage that feels like it's coming from outside your head. Speaking of soundstage, let's dive into Spatial Audio 3.0. We've all tried the head tracking audio by now, but the AirPods Pro 4 are taking it to a level that feels indistinguishable from a live performance. Using the new H3 chip and updated accelerometers, the AirPods can now map the room you are standing in. They use acoustic reflections to understand